Hey y'all, it's your girl Tassja. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be this colorful look. I just threw some colors together, hoping, praying that it'll make a look, and we made this look. I don't have much to say for this intro, but this video is not going to be a long one. It's not a talk through, it's going to be a voiceover video. Anybody wanted to know. And yeah, that's all I have to say for the intro. Don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit that bell button, share this video, send it out. You know who I'm gonna say to send it out to. Send it out to your mama them, your cousin them, your ex-boyfriend, new boo, and all her people them. Just send my video out. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. Thanks. To start, I took the yellow shade from the James Charles palette and placed it on my brow bone and towards the inner corner of my eye, but more so like still underneath my brow. Next, I took this orange shade and placed it in between where I put the yellows and blended all that together. After that, I took this red shade and placed that just in my crease and blended that out into the orange. Then I took this hot pink shade and placed that into the outer corner of my eye. Next, I just cut my crease out halfway, something simple. Next, I took this blue pigment from Salazar Cosmetic and placed that where I cut my crease out at. That was mostly it for this look. I went back, as you can see, and did some finishing touches with the pinks and the yellows and all of that. I also placed lashes and liner on off camera. I did a wing liner, and the lashes I used were from Mink You Beauty in the style Diamond. I will leave a link to their store in my description box. But yeah, that was it for this look. That was it for the video. You already know what I'm gonna say. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button that's right here. You know you want to. You know you want to. You know you want to. You know you want to click these videos that's over here on this side. So stop playing. Stop playing with me.